Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a Google document in Google Drive. So what is Google Docs? So Google Docs, it is like the Microsoft Word. What it does is it is like a web-based Google Docs editor that is offered by Google. And it is a word processor, which means you can do everything you used to do with Microsoft Word in Google Docs. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I have opened my Google Chrome and I have my account logged in. So now I can click on the Google Apps icon and just click on Google Drive. So let's say if I want to create a Google document over here, so all I have to do is right click and click on Google Docs. Another way is click on New and then click on Google Docs. So now the document over here is ready. Let's say if you want to type the hello world. So over here you can just do all the things that you used to do with Microsoft Word. So let's just give it a name as test file and hit enter. So now over here you can see that there is the file called text file. So if you create anything inside the Google Drive, it will be stored. So that's how the Google Drive can store the files. Now if you make any changes, the benefit is that you will see that it will sync it automatically. Let's say now you can see it is showing saving and it is saved. So that means every change you do, it will be automatically synced and it will be saved in your Google Drive. Now let's say if you want to create a document inside a folder, what you can do is you need to enter that folder and then right click and just click on Google Docs. Let's just name this file let's call it the cloud. Let's call it the cloud. And if we go back to the cloud drive, so over here you will see, okay, so now it is here, the cloud. So this is the file we created inside this folder. So let's say if we write hello over here, now it is saving and it is saved. Now if we open the same file from here, you will see hello. So this is how you can create document in Google Drive, and this is how the Google Drive can save your files. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to create a Google Doc in Google Drive. So thank you for watching.